Want to fade in and fade out your video in CapCut PC? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do it smoothly. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project, or open an existing one. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. To fade in, move the playhead to the beginning of your video. Click to select the video clip so it's highlighted. Then go to the top right panel, open the Video tab, and under Basic, scroll down to find Opacity. Click the small diamond icon next to Opacity to add a keyframe and set the opacity to 0. This makes your video completely transparent at the start. Now move the playhead a few seconds forward. This is how long you want the fade to last. Then add another keyframe and this time set the opacity to 100. Your video will now gradually appear. To fade out, do the same steps in reverse. Move the playhead to where you want the fade out to start, near the end of your video. Add a keyframe with opacity set to 100. Then move the playhead to the very end of the video, add another keyframe and set the opacity to 0. Now when you play the video, it will fade in from black at the beginning and fade out to black at the end. That's how you easily add fade in and fade out effects to your video in CapCut PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials.